Motorhomes have always represented freedom, but expedition motorhomes represent something deeper. They're not just about travel. They're about independence, confidence, and the ability to go wherever the road stops making promises. This orange expedition motorhome is built for people who don't want their journey limited by conditions, terrain, or distance. It's designed for long travel, real use, and a lifestyle where comfort and capability must exist together from the outside. The motorhome makes a strong first impression. The bold orange exterior immediately sets it apart. It's not flashy for attention. It's purposeful, visible, and confident. In remote environments, this color choice makes sense. It stands out against landscapes, improves visibility, and reflects a rugged, expedition-ready identity. The angular body, reinforced panels, and elevated stance make it clear that this vehicle wasn't designed for parking lots or weekend getaways. It's meant to travel far, carry weight, and remain dependable in unpredictable conditions. The overall proportions of the motorhome communicate balance. It feels solid and planted rather than oversized or top-heavy. Heavy-duty wheels, robust suspension components, and a reinforced chassis form the foundation. This is the kind of platform designed to handle long highway stretches just as comfortably as rough backcountry roads. Whether crossing open terrain, navigating forest paths, or traveling through remote regions, the motorhome maintains stability and control. That sense of confidence is one of the most valuable qualities in an expedition vehicle. Stepping inside, the atmosphere shifts in a way that feels intentional. The cockpit sets the tone immediately. Two forward-facing captain seats are positioned naturally toward the steering wheel, offering an ergonomic and relaxed driving posture. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, designed to reduce visual clutter and keep everything within easy reach. Materials feel durable and tactile, with soft-touch surfaces and matte finishes that prevent glare. Subtle orange stitching and accents connect the cockpit visually to the rest of the motorhome without distraction. Natural daylight enters through the front windshield, balanced by soft ambient lighting integrated into the dashboard and footwell areas. Visibility is clear, and the driving position feels commanding without being intimidating. This is not a racing cockpit or a futuristic concept. It feels real, familiar, and trustworthy, the kind of environment that supports long hours behind the wheel without fatigue. Moving into the main living area, the layout continues with the same sense of logic and restraint. The lounge is compact, efficient, and comfortable. A straight built-in sofa runs along one wall, keeping the central walkway open and unobstructed. Nothing blocks movement. Nothing feels oversized. The seating feels supportive rather than plush. Designed for real use rather than visual drama, the center of the lounge is a single, sturdy table fixed securely to the floor. It's designed to stay stable even when the motorhome is parked on uneven ground. On the table sits a small ceramic vase, adding a human touch without cluttering the space. Soft amber lighting runs along the ceiling edges and beneath the seating, creating a warm atmosphere in the evenings. This is a place designed to slow down, relax, and feel settled after long days of travel. The kitchen and dining area reinforces the expedition mindset. Everything is arranged along a single wall to preserve space and maintain clear movement through the motorhome. The cabinetry is finished in warm gray tones, contrasted by matte black hardware and burnt orange panels that tie back to the exterior. The surfaces feel solid and practical, built to handle daily use rather than occasional show. A compact induction cooktop and deep matte finish sink provide everything needed for cooking on the road. Lockable overhead and lower cabinets ensure that supplies remain secure during travel. Integrated lighting beneath the cabinets illuminates the workspace clearly without harsh brightness. This is a kitchen designed for reliability, not decoration. The dining setup is simple and smart. Storage plays a major role throughout the motorhome, and it's handled with intention. Instead of hiding everything behind closed doors, the storage areas are designed to clearly show how items are placed and secured. Tall orange finished cabinets, overhead lockers, and reinforced lower drawers are arranged along straight corridors. Some cabinets are partially open, revealing neatly folded clothing, storage bins, and gear. Drawers are slightly pulled out to show tools and equipment, making the functionality immediately clear to anyone inside. Cabinet integrated LED lighting highlights the contents without feeling theatrical. This approach to storage keeps everything organized, accessible, and easy to manage during long journeys. It's this kind of design that prevents extended travel from becoming chaotic. The bedroom is designed as a calm and refined retreat. The bed is fixed in place and neatly made, with smooth charcoal bedding and a warm blanket carefully folded at the foot. The bed shape is softly rounded, improving movement around the space and giving the room a more welcoming feel. Two compact side tables are integrated into the layout, one on each side of the bed. On one side table sits a minimal bedside lamp with a warm glow, perfect for evening reading. On the other, a small ceramic flower vase adds a gentle touch of life to the space. The wall behind the bed features orange upholstered panels that visually anchor the room and connect it to the motorhome's exterior identity. The ceiling features a sculpted design with integrated LED lighting. Soft light outlines the ceiling shape, while recessed fixtures provide even illumination throughout the room. Underbed lighting adds a subtle floating effect, making the room feel lighter and more spacious. Black tinted side windows are paired with thick curtains, ensuring privacy and light control. The bedroom feels quiet, protected, and deeply restful, exactly what's needed after long days of travel. The bathroom continues the same philosophy of practicality and comfort. It's a compact wet bath designed for daily use, not display. Dark gray stone-textured wall panels are paired with matte black fixtures and subtle orange trim details. A wall-mounted toilet saves space while remaining functional. The sink, mirrored wall, and enclosed shower are arranged efficiently to maximize usability. Lighting in the bathroom is warm and diffused, preventing the space from feeling cold or clinical. Everything is easy to clean and designed to withstand frequent use. It's not a luxury spa. It's a reliable, comfortable bathroom built for life on the road. What makes this motorhome stand out isn't a single feature, but the consistency of its design. Nothing feels random. Nothing exists purely for visual impact. Every decision serves a purpose. Every space feels intentional. This is the difference between a motorhome designed for real travel and one built only to look impressive. When it comes to pricing, expedition motorhomes like this operate in a premium category. With heavy-duty engineering, custom interiors, and long-range capability, prices often reach into the high six-figure range and beyond, depending on configuration. But for the people drawn to vehicles like this, value isn't measured in numbers alone, it's measured in independence, in confidence, in the freedom to travel far beyond familiar roads and still feel completely at home. Here's the real question. If you had the opportunity to take your home into the wild, across continents, and through remote landscapes, would you choose an expedition motorhome like this? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more expedition and luxury motorhome content, and I'll see you in the next one.